Hey guys, Andrew here with DrewFit. I want to thank you for tuning in. Today's video going to be sharing with you a quick recipe for a meal replacement smoothie. Reasons I like meal replacements: number one, they're quick and easy. If you're short on time, it's a nice alternative. You can hit all your needs nutritionally. Number two, this shake is good for people that are wanting to put on weight, put on muscle size. If you're needing to hit your caloric intake, then you can have this shake between meals once or twice a day. Or if you're wanting to lose weight, it's another great option as well. And the reason why I like these shakes is because, like I said, they do hit your nutritional needs. Fairly simple if you follow these guidelines and get the right things in your smoothie. So let's jump right into it. Number one, for the base liquid, in my opinion, you want something that is going to have a good source of carbohydrates. I usually opt for coconut water or some kind of milk, whether it's cow milk or goat milk. I try to opt for low fat just because this is going to be a higher protein, higher carbohydrate type shake. But if you can't get a good source of low fat milk, then I would just go with full fat milk if it's a good source. But the reason being is because I think when you're having too much fat combined with too many carbohydrates, then they kind of compete for your energy source, but it's not a huge issue. So for me personally, I like coconut water. Tastes great, adds great flavor to the shake. Number two, for your carb source, I like really easily digestible fruits that I like to blend up, whether it's berries, bananas. Citrus fruits are fantastic, and pineapple. The goal here is going to be to try to get fruits that accommodate each other. I really love berries and banana. I think it adds a great flavor to the smoothie, and they're very easily digestible. Pineapple is a great addition as well, and really good for the gut health, and adds enzymes as well, which is even more important. So I'd throw pineapple in there as one of the top fruits to throw into your smoothie. Number three, for your protein source. Now this is going to be very important because you want it to be high protein, so you're satiated if it's a meal replacement. If you have low protein, you're not going to be that satiated. You're going to be pretty hungry about an hour later. So I like to throw in a few different protein sources, high quality, of course. Number one, I like to throw in 4 raw eggs, free range, soy-free eggs. I don't recommend low quality eggs if you're going to do raw eggs. Personally, I enjoy it. I'm throwing it out there. I don't think there's obviously a potential risk for your health, so I want to put that disclaimer out there, but I've been doing it for 14 years. And I've never had an issue. I also like to throw in a high quality protein powder. The only protein powder that I mess with is Blue Bonnet Whey Protein Isolate. I like isolate because you're getting pure protein. You're not getting all the other stuff that comes in whey protein concentrate, so it's easier for your body to break down. It's higher quality protein, things like that. And then I'll also throw in a collagen protein as well. The reason being is collagen is high in a lot of anti-inflammatory amino acids, so it's good to balance out your protein profile when doing one of these shakes as well. And on top of it, collagen has a lot of benefits for your skin, for your digestive health, your intestines, stuff like that. So all of those protein sources are really important, and I highly recommend, if you're going to do this, to try to get at least 2 or 3 different protein sources in your smoothie. And now, in addition, I also like to take supplements with my shake, whether it's in my shake or a pill form. And my top 3 supplements I recommend, obviously, I've talked about this in a lot of my videos. Creatine, I think the upside benefits to taking creatine far outweighs any kind of negative side effect for both men and women. Creatine is a very important supplement to be getting in your shake and getting on a daily basis. Has a lot of benefits, not just for muscle building and athletic performance, but also for your brain function as well. Another supplement I like to take is Tribulus. Now this is for the fellas to help increase DHT. DHT is a very special androgen that coincides with testosterone, so it helps healthy hormonal levels. And I also like to take vitamin E as well. There's a lot of benefits to vitamin E, helping with issues with overconsumption of unsaturated fats. It helps mitigate those damages. It's good for your skin, good for your brain. A lot of benefits from vitamin E. So really quick, I just wanted to hop on here, share with you guys the recipe that I do about 3 to 4 times a week, especially depending on if I'm short on time. I'll do one of these smoothies. The carbohydrates, I'd say it's about 50 to 70 grams of carbohydrates, depending how much fruit and coconut water I'm using. And the protein is about 50 to 60 grams as well. So it's kind of matching the carbohydrates. And I like to try to keep it low fat, but if you are going to do some sort of fat in there, make sure it's going to be saturated fat. It's a lot easier on your body, and there aren't a lot of downstream side effects. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, or if there's a smoothie recipe that you like, drop that in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys.